Ever wondered how to kickstart your journey with AI projects using Python? You're in the right place. Today, we delve into beginner-friendly AI projects using Python. The aim is to simplify the process, breaking down the code line by line to make your learning experience as smooth as possible. Our first project is a classic game of rock, paper, scissors, but with an AI twist. We'll be coding an AI opponent using Python. Here's the magic in code form. Firstly, we import the random module. This module allows us to generate random numbers which we will need for the AI's choices. Next, we define the choices in a list: rock, paper, and scissors. Then we get the user's input. This will be the user's choice in the game. After that, we generate the AI's choice. This is where the random module comes into play. The AI's choice is a random pick from the defined choices. Finally, we determine the winner. If the user's choice is the same as the AI's, it's a tie. If the user's choice beats the AI's, the user wins. Otherwise, the AI wins. Moving on to our second project, a number guessing game. In this game, the computer will try to guess the number you're thinking of. Let's break down the code. Once again, we import the random module. We then set the range for the number. This will be the range within which the user will think of a number, and the AI will make its guesses. The user is prompted to think of a number within the defined range. The AI then makes its first guess, which is a random number within the range. The AI then adjusts its guess based on the user's feedback. If the guess is too high, the AI decreases the upper limit. If it's too low, the AI increases the lower limit. This process continues until the AI guesses the correct number. Output. And there you have it, 2 beginner-friendly AI projects using Python. I hope you enjoyed coding along and found the explanations helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and drop a comment if you want to see more AI projects. Until next time, happy coding.